Hey friends, welcome. Artline Pencil Pandemonium.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden.
Welcome to Parshala Presents Artline, another new video. So today's video is very special. I would request everyone who are watching this video, please be with us to the end of the video. Karon end of the video we are going to announce something big. Yes, যেটা I hope সকলকে help করবে and everyone will be benefit from it. সো আজকে যেটা নিয়ে অমৃতাদি পাঠশালায় কথা বলতে চলেছে, person need to know, especially the students, because what happen যখন আমরা স্কুল প্রজেক্টের কিছু কাজ করি, it's very important to know a little bit of pencil sketching knowledge. So চলো শুরু করে ফেলি, how to draw pencil sketching or how to learn pencil sketching from the beginners level or zero level. So let's get started today's video, but before, as always Amritadi said, please do like, to share, to comment, and what else you want to know and what else you want to see from Amritadi ki aro shikhte chao. So please let me know through your comments, and please do subscribe if you are not subscriber yet, কারণ কি আমরা অনেক কিছু শিখি পাঠশালাতে যেটা অনেক স্টুডেন্টসের জন্য খুবই হেল্পফুল. So let's get started today's video. Okay, now for the starting of our video, for pencil sketching we need to know about some knowledge about pencils, different pencils. একটু নলেজটা দিয়ে দিই সবাইকে যে পেন্সিল কত রকমের হয়, কিভাবে আমরা সেগুলো ইউজ করতে পারি, in which purpose, why such a huge range of pencils are available, and how we can use them in particular, which pencil is used in which category, or how we can recognize them. তো এইগুলো আমরা একটু জেনে নিই, then we'll go for the sketching process. First thing, there is a 2B pencil. The first thing I have to tell you one thing, that the pencil we are using for writing normally that provided by school, I'm talking about the students, are either HB or 2B. 2B is the most preferable provided by school. Right now I'm here using high precision sketching 2B pencil. Okay, so this is the 2B pencil, which is the most lighter version, and a 2B pencil, that means you have a thin graphite স্কেল, থিন গ্রাফাইট যে টিপটা হয় আমাদের, সেটা যত সরু শীষ হবে তত আমাদের টিপটাকে আমরা শুরু করতে পারবো. সো লেটস স্টার্ট দ্য 2B. 2B is like this, the normal we are using for writing, or HB আমরা ইউজ করি most of the time for writing, but this is for drawing purpose 2B. And after 2B we have 4B. There are many good companies you can get from your bookstore. I have a very interest to I'm like to use different I like to try different companies pencil konta bhalo dekhar jonno. So this is a new one I have bought from my nearby stationery shop. So ora amake bole that this one is really good, and I'm using this one for few times, but it's really good. It's average, not as good as Camlin or Apsara, but it's good. So it's 4B. 4B is a little thicker than 2B, all the same. There it's vary pencil to pencil again. Next is after 2B and 4B there is a 6B pencil. 6B is a little thicker. You can see the graphite tip is a little thicker compared to 4B, and this is that is the main difference. I mean, whenever you going to the higher version of B, the tip will be thicker, or the graphite will be the thicker. So this is the 6B. See the differences, there is a clear differences you can see there. And after 6B this is the 8B. 8B again thicker than 6B, And then over the 8B, my favorite, if you ask me what's your favorite pencil, I will suggest you go for Apsara. Apsara is really dark. The most among these three I'm using right now, Artline pencil. These are pencil 6B pencil we have used, that is Artline pencil. So Apsara is much more darker than all of them compared to others. So this is the 10B, and the final one, which is 12B. 12B, you can see that white is the most thicker, that is, and the most darker version. 12B. So 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B, and 12B. What is hard, medium, and soft? H is stand for hard. These are graphite charcoal pencil. Those are graphite pencil. These are charcoal pencil. And now I am here using the Camlin charcoal pencil. These are particularly, they are using the dark portion for if you are going for a hair, when we will do portrait, we will come to know how the hair will do. So that time charcoal pencil will help you. And this one is medium, Camlin medium charcoal. Hard means the tip will be hard, medium means the tip will be a little softer, and the soft one, it will smudge very quickly, and it's very soft and smooth, you can see. And last not the least, this is not compulsory, mandatory. I prefer to use this pencil, glass marking pencil, as the border of my pencil set, or any picture for the children's picture while they are doing the coloring, the pastel coloring and everything. Then this glass marking pencil is very dark and deep black in color, and it's really good for bordering. So I thought of showing you. This is also Apsara glass marking black. So the next thing, we are going to show you some of the technique of pencil sketching. Now, pencil sketch has different stroke manner. This is the pencil sketching. I have already done it because we have already learned how to draw fruits. So এটা আমি আলাদা করে আর দেখাইনি, just the outline. Okay. Now, before using our pencil sketching, let me advise you, or let me suggest you something, that for pencil sketching you need to be a very good observer. Because coloring ki hoy na, color itself are very vibrant and bright, and if it's a colorful painting or colorful picture, so তোমাকে আর কিছু অতটা চিন্তা করতে হয় না, কালারটা সুন্দর করে করো, লিটল বিট অফ লাইট অ্যান্ড শেড একটু এফেক্ট যদি আনতে পারো, the picture will be look beautiful, but the drawing will be look colorful, vibrant, beautiful and everything. But in pencil sketching, the only thing is very important for you to make that light and shade effect, otherwise all will look dull. So to make that light and shade effect, you need to observe your object very well. Suppose an apple is keeping on a table. So there is a light is falling on your apple, and that particular light, in which direction or from which direction the light is coming, and that on that particular whole surface of an apple where the light is reflected, that ball, that white ball, it's reflected on your apple surface. And apart from that, the surrounding of that light effect, reflection, particular point of the effect surrounding is also became a bright light to lighter shade, and then the surround person will be the darker. So this observation will help you to recreate that apple, or to recreate down that apple into your paper, because it's a 2D picture. We have to give a live feel of that pictures. সো শুধু যদি আমরা অ্যাপেলটাকে এঁকে দিই, শুধুমাত্র একটা আউটলাইন করে দিই, তো সেটা খুব একটা ভালো লাগবে না। বাট ইউ নিড টু ডু দ্যাট লাইট অ্যান্ড শেড এফেক্ট। সেটা তখনই করতে পারবে ওয়েন ইউ অবজার্ভ দ্যাট থিং ভেরি ওয়েল, যে লাইটটা কোন ডিরেকশন থেকে আসছে এবং এসে কোন জায়গায় পড়ছে, দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার সারফেস ওয়ার দ্য লাইট হিট অন দ্য অ্যাপল অ্যান্ড দ্য সারফেস ইজ টিপিক্যাল হোয়াইট, অ্যান্ড তার পাশে আস্তে আস্তে হোয়াইটটা লিটল ফেড হতে অ্যান্ড দেন দ্য রেড কালার অফ দ্য অ্যাপেল। দ্যাট মিনস when we do it in pencil sketch, it will be a black color. সেখান থেকে কী করে হোয়াইটটা আসছে, দ্যাটস ব্লেন্ডিং, দ্যাট স্মুথনেস ব্লেন্ডিং উইল হ্যাভ টু কাম থ্রু পেন্সিল স্কেচিং। সেই জন্য আমাদের এই স্ট্রোকসগুলো, ফিলগুলো, এই ম্যানারিজমের মেথডসগুলো কিছুটা জানলে, টেকনিক্স, ইফ ইউ নো দ্য লিটল টেকনিক্স, ইট উইল বি আর ইজিয়ার। আনলেস করতে করতে প্র্যাকটিস মেক পারফেক্ট। সো ফার্স্ট টাইম, সেকেন্ড টাইম, থার্ড টাইম, ইন থার্ড অ্যাটেম্প্ট ইউ উইল সি দ্যাট ইউ উইল ইমপ্রুভড ডে বাই ডে if you follow Amrita's instruction. So I hope you like today's video and see how easily, just by using pencil, eraser and your finger thumb pointer, you can make a wonderful pencil sketches, which definitely an eye treat to watch, and at the same time it's very important to learn pencil sketching for the students who has to do their school project. Now regarding this, we have the big announcement, and that is where I said that please take to the end of this video, because now I am going to make a big announcement about our pencil sketching or pencil pandemonium regarding or related, which will help everyone, I guess so. Another big announcement. The big announcement is Pathshala is going to team up with the Pathshala project making team. Yes, so this is going to be a project making team. Now what is project making? Project making means the school students project. We are talking about anything and everything drawing related project, whether it's a physics project, chemistry project, bio project, biology and geography project, or life science project for 7, 8, 9 standard West Bengal board. Everything and anything drawing related, whether you want it in a color format or you want it in a pencil sketch, the best version of your project will be provided by team Pathshala project making. এই মুহূর্তে নিচে দিয়ে একটি নাম্বার যাচ্ছে, ডেফিনেটলি আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। প্লিজ ওই নাম্বারটাতে যদি আপনারা যোগাযোগ করেন, অ্যান্ড দেন ওয়ান অফ আওয়ার টিম মেম্বার will contact with you, and then everything will be online based and official project making process. আপনাদের যা requirement or the students the requirement, we will love to take calls from our students, যারা আমাদের বলবে যে কি কি প্রজেক্টে আপনাদের দরকার, what type of projects you want, school project, syllabus project, out of syllabus project like Halloween project and everything. Now school days it's became a trending project now. তো সেই জিনিসটা আমাদের একটু আগে থেকে জানাতে হবে, and if we are also welcome to share your practical exercise book, practical খাতা পর্যন্ত আমরা তৈরি করে দেবো। এবং তার জন্য যেটা করতে হবে, you have to contact us with a sufficient time, because আজকে contact করে you can't tell us that I need 10 pages of pictures and along with that some writings over that pictures within 2 days, 10 or 15 pages of pictures. No, so আমাদের সাথে প্লিজ কন্ট্যাক্ট করুন টাইম থাকতে, and let us know what your project is, and let us know what you want. We can assure you that we will going to deliver you the best version of your project. Okay, anything and everything drawing related. 3D project we are not going to launch right now, because this is the very beginning of our project making team collaboration, Pathshala team collaboration with this project making team, so they are ready to do with only the drawing projects. So anything and everything drawing projects, please do contact with us, যে নাম্বারটা আমি ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সেও দিয়ে দেবো। তো আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করুন এবং আপনার প্রজেক্ট আমরা তৈরি করে আপনাদের দিয়ে দেবো, ডেফিনেটলি অফ আ লিটল চার্জেবল, এটা বুঝতেই পারছেন, বিকজ ইটস গোয়িং টু বি আ কমার্শিয়াল ভার্সন। সো এটাই ছিল আজকের বিগ অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট। আই হোপ ইট উইল হেল্প এভরিওয়ান ভেরি মাচ, and bye bye for today's video. Like, share, comment and subscribe if you want. We will see you very soon for the next video. Bye bye.